Welcome to the Parts Counter presented by Hot Bike Magazine. I'm your host, Jordan Mastagni, Editor-in-Chief of Hot Bike. We're back at Ventura Harley-Davidson today, wrapping up our 2025 Street Bob project. Today, the Street Bob gets a new Switchback 2-up seat, as well as a new bar and shield coil cover. Once again, I'll be joined by Cody Gordon, who's going to help us wrap up this project, get this bike back to its customer, and then out on the road. I really dig this Switchback seat for the Street Bob. It's a one-piece 2-up seat with a clean, fastback profile that features a modern tuck and roll style, and it mixes smooth and textured vinyls. It just looks killer. Plus, it's sealed to keep water out. The Switchback will make a nice addition to the Street Bob, and then we'll move on to installing this new bar and shield coil cover. It's the little things that stand out. And we felt this was an easy custom upgrade with some cool styling to finish out the project. Hey Cody, how are you, man?
Good, how are you?
This is it, the final day.
The last episode.
So we just have a couple more things to install. We have the Switchback 2-up seat, new coil cover, and then your customer finally gets her bike back.
I think she's gonna be super excited.
What do you say, I'll do these seats, I'll take these off?
Yeah, sounds good. So we put some chalk on the little rubber bumpers underneath the seat and installed it just to see where it transfers onto the fender, so we can put these protective clear stickers down on the fender so you don't chafe it. Now we got the grab strap installed. Go ahead and torque it to 60 to 90 inch-pounds. And now we're gonna slide the seat through the seat strap. Fish it through there. Lock the front tab into place. Go ahead and torque that screw to 15 to 30 inch-pounds. All right, so now we're gonna remove the stock bolt from the coil cover. So we're just gonna take the new coil cover and the supplied bolt, put it right through, and there's a washer with a step in it. The step is gonna go towards the cover. Put it right through the coil and thread it into the mount. Torque that down to 11 to 14 foot-pounds. And once that's torqued, this thing just Velcros on there, pops into place.
Well, that's a wrap. We did it. We got all these cool new parts installed on this 2025 Street Bob, and it looks great.
Yeah, it's looking really good.
So we started with this Hollywood handlebar and the new Get a Grip grips. I was curious what they were gonna look like with the new quarter fairing, and I think it looks great.
Yeah, it all flows real nice together.
It fits just right, and it's color matched for this purple abyss denim paint scheme. So it made it like it's supposed to be there from the factory. And then we moved on and we did these Defender Saddlebags.
Yep.
I really like how these look. They're like a cool texture of vinyl and nylon. They're functional and they look good.
Right.
Plus you can fit a lot of stuff in there. So I like how they also lock to the bike, which gives you a little more peace of mind. And I like that you can take them off and put them back on super easily. And then this new 2-up seat. What do you think?
It's nice, looks comfortable too.
I think your customer's gonna be really happy.
She's gonna be very excited, I'm sure.
Right on, man. Thank you.
No problem.
Tune in next time where we head to Zion Harley-Davidson in southern Utah and get to work on the 2025 Road Glide. We'll see you next time at the Parts Counter.